Welcome to the official Windows channel, and this is a little bit of news for Windows Technical Preview for anyone that's using Windows Technical Preview. Actually, we're more than 1 million actually that installed it. I don't know how many people actually continue to use it as a regular or on a regular basis, but I try to use it as much as possible. And now, first news is something that happened in November, sorry. There was in November, late November, there was an update that's called Windows Technical Preview November Update. So if you are experiencing problems, apparently this fixes a lot of little bugs in Windows Technical Preview. And actually, since I've installed that November update, I have no more problems. So it kind of fixed probably what I had as a problem. But it's very interesting because I get a lot of reports from you guys that a lot of you actually found that the build 9879 is actually better than it was ever. So a lot of you seem to have absolutely no problem on that build. Personally, it seems that that November update fixed whatever flaw there was in my version of Technical Preview. So it works fine. I've actually been using Technical Preview here yesterday and today. So, I have maybe like about 20, probably 20 hours of use in the past 3 days, and I haven't had any blue screen of deaths, no error messages, nothing wrong. So actually, I'm pretty happy with it, and I'm back into the Technical Preview usage now because it's actually working really well. An interesting feature, an interesting little bit of news that actually Paul Thurrott on his winsupersite.com, WinSupersite for Windows, actually released a little detail from Microsoft that on December 5th, because apparently a lot of people are saying, can I upgrade my Technical Preview to an RTM? An RTM is a retail to manufacturer. So basically, will I be able to upgrade from Technical Preview into a full Windows 10 install when it comes out? And apparently the answer is yes. It seems that you will be able to upgrade your Technical Preview to a full-blown Windows 10 version when it's officially out. So that means that if you don't want to do a clean install, if you like the system the way it is, you will be able to do that. Now, that said, I don't really understand why we should do that, because personally, I know one thing is that when the real official release of Windows 10 comes out, I'm going to reformat the partition in which Windows Technical Preview is and install a clean version of Windows 10. So that's a little amazing, I would say, because I'm surprised that a lot of people actually ask that. And I guess the thing is, for a lot of people, the Windows Technical Preview is kind of their main install, their main Windows program or operating system, which means that they've probably installed a lot of stuff. They probably configured a lot of stuff, and it's not complicated. They just don't want to deal with a reinstall of the operating system. They just want to upgrade to Windows 10. And so it seems that it is going to be accepted also. So why not, if you want to upgrade from Technical Preview to the real version, you'll be able. But don't forget, we will get the official release of the in January of the consumer preview. So that will probably change a lot of things for a lot of people, and I don't think that you'll be able to go from the consumer preview, from the Technical Preview to the consumer preview. Probably it's going to be a clean install from there. So whatever. It seems that Microsoft says yes, which is very amazing, because in pretty much in the past, every time we had consumer previews and so on, there was no possibility of actually upgrading the system for into a full-blown version. We had to do clean installs. But I personally think clean install is the way to go. So hope everybody enjoyed this little bit of news. And if you have problems, well, do check for that November update, because it does seem to actually fix a lot of things. I know that Paul Tarot on his Win Super site said it didn't fix anything in this case, and he's actually gone back to Windows 8.1 because he couldn't deal with the fact that it was so buggy in Windows Technical Preview 9879. It could be a piece of hardware, but that's what I'm wondering, if it's not a piece of hardware in his computer, because he's done even a clean install of build 9879 and was unable to, still has the same problems. And personally, it seems that they're fixed with that update in November. So if you enjoy our videos, why not subscribe to our channel? This will be the main channel for the future of Windows and Windows 10. And hopefully, you enjoy our videos, and we'll be taking a peek at all our videos as we have news coming up and all sorts of details that we want to talk about in Windows and Windows 10. So thank you for watching.